Hello everyone, this is Glacier, and yeah, this is my real voice, by the way. Yeah, and yeah, there's a thunderstorm outside of my, city right now. In the middle of the night, at 12:51 a.m., and I'm not sure what is going on right now. And yes, oh, shoot, bro. Oh, dang God. Yeah, I know I say a lot of shit. I have ADHD and fucking autism. I know, it's not fun living with them, but it's something. Anyways, I don't know what to do now. If you see, this, that means my finger is passing by. Oh, damn! I don't know if you got that one, but ooh. We're going thunderstorm hunting today. I have no idea. What? Oh, I'm pretty sure you guys missed that, but. Ooh. There's a whole bunch of lightning out there. Anyways, yeah. I don't know what to do in this, situation. But, I'll see you guys later, and let's hope, everything goes, well. So, without a doubt, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.